Let's go. Alright, what's up, YouTube? Today is Friday. Happy Friday, everyone. Friday, February 2nd, 2024. I'm your host, Ty, and this is Smarter Speculation. Alright, what up, everyone? What up, Mark and Ken? What's up?
Hey. What's up?
And Koya, what's up, dude? Appreciate everyone. Please smash the like button. Please, thank you. Alright. Any plays? Not really. Let's take a look. I don't see anything that's popping out. Oh, okay. KUKE. Alright, just in time. KUKE. Let's check it out. 178. Alright, so this one is running, but I'm not gonna go for it till, let me see here. Yeah, don't know if this is gonna fill. I'm gonna go for this one at 250. So alright, order in. Highly doubt it's gonna hit 250, but you never know. Already starting to come down, so there's that one. KUKE. Nexi, nice. Nexi is pulling back a little here. That one's pretty sketch, not gonna lie. But it is pulling back a little post-market. Anything else? I don't really see anything else. What's this? Yeah, that's about it. Really nothing going so far. Post-market here. Once again, just KUKE, and that's already pulling back. Let's do a refresh and get back to the intro there. Yeah, so nothing really going, just KUKE. That did break $2 though, so yeah. It may get there, who knows? It looks pretty strong. Anyway, so nothing really going except this one right now. We will come back to this. You don't see my NVIV? I don't see it here. Interesting. I didn't see that one, I was not paying attention. Am I too late? No. Alright, very interesting. $49. I'll put in an order for 49.5. Don't think it's gonna get there, but who knows? So this one's pretty low float, be careful. But yeah, I'll put in an order for this. Okay. MINM ran 33% today, micro float. Yeah, tell me about it. I was in there on the wrong side. Got wrecked, so crazy stock. Not sure why it's holding up so much. But yeah, I that was my biggest loser today. We'll get to that. Anyway, so yeah, we'll come back to this, but as of right now, looks once again KUKE. Let's double check. Yeah, KUKE already pulling back. And that's about it. And yeah, low-key NVIV is also moving, but low float, so be careful. And yeah, other than that, don't see much. So we'll come back to this. Can you chart ADCT and MINM, please? Thank you. Sure, we'll get to that. Full disclosure, I just said it, but I am currently in MINM on the short side, so be aware of that. Maybe a bit biased. All right, cool. So we'll come back to this. Let's finish up with the intro here. All right, so appreciate everyone. Happy Friday. Tendy Town today. Hope you guys made some fat tendies. Myself, as a rainbow bear in the green here. Pretty good day. So, yeah, plenty of tendies to go around. Bulls, boomers, apes, rainbow bears. Hope everyone's printing tendies today. All right, Nexi is down. Nexi is slowly going down here. It's a low float also. But anyway, so yeah, not too much planned for today, guys. Should end the week on a pretty chill note here. So as always, we'll be doing our daily stock and crypto reviews. My plays today. I think we got 3 articles today. One about jobs report, one about Meta. Big earnings there, and then one about FTX. Update in that saga. Today for the TA, as you see in the title, we're just going to do META, Meta. Again, they had great earnings, so we'll analyze that. And anything else you guys want me to look at, put in the chat. We'll get to those. And then we'll finish up with our YOLOs. We have 5, so there was a lot of, meta loss, or meta gain corn, but I pulled out the best ones. So, decent amount of content. We'll see how the live trading goes, but yeah, probably go around an hour today, normal time. We'll see. But that's all I got. So, for now, so let's start the show. Okay. And before we begin, please like the video, please subscribe, and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Speculation Show. Bro, I missed 200 on Nexi, covered too early. Yeah, so it's down to 12 now. Well, it's a wide bid ask. Bid is 1180, ask is 1250, but it is still coming down. Yeah, that was weird. So you guys were in there with me, and it was looking sketch. I put my stop at 1410, and it actually went past 1410. And for whatever reason, I didn't get filled. It didn't stop me out, so which is a good thing because now it's back down to 12. I don't know what happened there, but so yeah, I'm still in Nexi, and up pretty big right now. Still sketch, so I'll keep an eye on that. But yeah, really weird how it didn't stop me out. So that's how it goes. Sometimes you get lucky, sometimes you don't. AEY, hurry, bro. Why is this not popping up on Thinkorswim? Yeah, I don't know about this one, bro. Yeah, probably not going to go for this because the top was 74 today, so I'll pass on this one. That's why it's not showing up, because it's not even in the green yet, bro. Yeah, I'm not going to go for this one. It's just big red candle today. Don't think this is a great play, but you can go for it. Not financial advice. It just ran out of shares as well. All right, so let's do another scan and get back to the show here. And yeah, still looks like nothing really going on. So we'll come back to this. I do want to get filled on INBS. That was one of the major runners today. Tried to short it all day and no shares. So hopefully we get filled here. Post-market or Monday morning. Pretty ridiculous price. Okay. Interesting. So let's get to my plays. Yep, cool. Let's get to my plays. 1 second here. Gotta update. All right, so not much has changed today. I just picked up 2 new plays. I actually didn't have much margin until later in the day. But all right, let's do it. So 11 plays today, still holding 7. Yeah. All right, let's do it. So PYPD covered that one for about $1,000 loss. Been holding that for a month. Dumped the bag. It's done. But yeah, it took like a 1K loss there. A couple $100, I think. Close to 1K. Good. BCEL down 135. ONMD. Still holding a bag, but major pullback here up 1885. Biggest gain of the day. GHSI up 90. NEXI, Nexi up 405. We'll see what happens with that one. MINM, the big gut today, down 1755. BRTX, another big gut. I just tried to scalp this and then it started moving, so that's the worst. But down 1110 there. NRBO up 125. Covered CNXA and MARK for a couple $100, and then BNED, Barnes and Nobles. That one started running towards the end of the day. Scalped it and made quick 900 on that. Low-key, Barnes and Nobles is becoming a meme stock. I don't really know who buys books anymore. You know, everything is like Audible or ebook. But yeah, Barnes and Nobles, BNET, low-key turning into a meme stock. You got 1K share at 60. All right, good luck to you. I'm gonna pass on that one. But it looks like you're already up about 10%. So nice, dude. Looks like you caught the top. And I think it is heavily shorted. So yeah, a little too risky for me, but glad it's working out for you. Good luck there. All right, cool. So yep, that's me today. Let me edit this. All right, so as of right now, I think I went down a little, but I'm up 1,300 as of right now. Yeah, it did, because I was up almost 2K earlier. But oh well. Anyway, up 1,300 as of right now. Let's go. Not bad. I'll take it. So yeah, pretty bullish day, and so was yesterday, and you know, still made money shorting. All right, cool. Let's do another refresh and get onto the watch list. Okay. So yeah, still nothing. Doesn't appear like anything is really going here. So what's this? Yeah, still nothing. All right, we'll come back to this. Let's get to the watch list. Pretty slow post-market. Honestly, the whole 2024 has been post-market. Hasn't been that active, especially in the last few weeks. All right, let's do the watch list here. Start on the, well, still the indexes first. All right, so the Dow Jones up 0.35%. Still a lot of action in INBS. I don't know what's up there. NASDAQ, NDX up 1.72%. Huge day there. Probably Facebook, Meta leading the way, and Amazon. And SPY up 1.05%. So yeah, pretty bullish day for the stock market. So Wednesday, excuse me. So Wednesday was bloodbath, and then last 2 days nice recovery. So awesome. Hope you guys made some fat tendies. And yeah, let's get to the watch list here. So we'll start on the red side. There is a good amount in the red, surprisingly, for being such a bullish day. But let's check it out. So it looks like mostly growth in memes here. Looks like 420 taking a hit. There's Mullen down to $7. Damn, Walgreens down 2.6%. Fox 1.9, Ally 1.9. So there is some value getting hit pretty hard here. Intel 1.8, BP 1.4, Pfizer 1.3. So yeah, there is a good amount of value in here, but mostly growth and memes getting hit. There's Verizon, Alibaba, Coke, Apple, Netflix, Tesla. Interesting. Are Amazon and Meta really just holding up the whole market like that? So that appeared to be more bullish than I would have thought. Bearish. That red list right there. Stocks that went down today. Kind of surprising. I would not expect that from just looking at the indexes so far. But all right, cool. Little deceiving. So onto the green side. So yeah, that is the number one gainer today. We'll analyze that in a sec here. Meta, META, up 20%. Huge day. Apes printing, bulls printing, boomers. Yeah. Incredible day for Meta. We'll analyze that with the earnings soon. And Amazon as well, 8%. Not nearly as good as Meta, but 8% for value stock is pretty insane. It jumped to 50. Congrats, dude. Well done. Yeah, it was a little too scary for me, but I'm glad it worked out for you. You gonna cover soon? All right, cool. Where was I? Yeah, IBKR is up 5.8%. Interesting. Nvidia 5%. So, yeah, Tech 4 or AMD 421. So yeah, really bullish day, especially for tech. Microsoft 1.9%. So yeah, mostly mostly value in the green here. Google's up about 0.9%. Anyway, I don't see much growth in memes in the green here. So overwhelmingly value in the green. A good amount of price action. So it seems like value was really running while growth in memes were getting wrecked today. That's honestly what it seems like to me. Indexes are a little deceiving. But yeah, value leading the way. Growth not doing so good. So definitely the boomers winning. Apes, if you were in Meta, you're winning. Or Amazon, if you FD'd that. If not, probably losing. And Rainbow Bears probably made some decent money today. Anyway, overall, very bullish day. Little deceiving, but still very bullish. And yeah, hope you guys made some fat tendies. Covering now. All right, nice. So almost 20% there. Been getting a lot of backdoor lately. Whoa, pause. Cover too early. Dumped to 43. Damn, bro. Wow. So, yeah, it literally happened to you, right? The dump it. I got you. Where is it? He bought. He covered. Dump it. Hey, oh well, dude. Made some pretty fat tendies there, so congrats. You missed big gains high. Yeah, I don't feel too bad about it. Because if you look at the daily chart, you know, like the high was 75 on the daily chart, so 74. Not really liking that. So pretty risky. Glad it worked out for you, but yeah, I would not have went for that. All right, cool. So yeah, there's the stock market. Is this a runner? No. Still nothing going here. All right, so let's get on to crypto and the news now. Why is BRTX running? Very sketch. All right, 1 second here. All right, let's do crypto. Crypto is up pretty sideways, up 0.06% today. So I guess we'll give it the money, but pretty sideways. Bitcoin down 0.3%, holding 43K. Ether down 0.2, holding 2,300. Binance holding 300. So yeah, some critical supports over here. Solana holding $1 or $100. So not too much price action. Big day for Avalanche, 7%. Chainlink 4.4. ICP 8.9. So seems like a few coins are really holding up the whole market here. All right, let's do it. We'll start on the red side, matter of fact. So yeah, red side about 20. We'll call it 2/3, about 35% of the coins in the red here. Biggest loser is FTX once again, 4.7%. But that's really not too bad, and don't see too much value. So not too much going on the red side here. And green side, 65% of the coins in the green. Good amount of price action and good amount of value. Yeah, Avalanche, Chainlink, Polkadot, Solana. So yeah, pretty sideways. Slightly bullish. But yeah, extremely bullish day. Stock market, slightly bullish day. Crypto, you know, overall should have been pretty bullish day. Congrats to everyone. And let's get on to some news now. All right, so 3 articles today. Nothing too crazy. Let's do it. So 3 people indicted in $400 million FTX crypto hack conspiracy. 3 people were indicted for identity theft conspiracy that allegedly included the $400 million hack in late 2022 of doomed cryptocurrency exchange FTX. Court records show. Robert Powell, the alleged ringleader of the SIM card swapping group, is due to appear in federal court in Chicago. Also charged in the case are Carter Ron, Emily Hernandez. All right, so what was the scheme? I remember this did happen right after FTX imploded. Then there were reports that they got hacked at the same time, taking advantage of the chaos. So I guess they just used fake identities, or they stole identities to cash out of FTX. Okay. Not exactly sure how it worked. Oh, so they got access to FTX employee accounts. All right, yeah. So they stole the credentials of an employee. Um, so then they got the access codes, and they're not saying much, but yeah, they used identity theft to impersonate a company employee and stole 400 mil. Chia. I did see that one this morning. Don't see it here, so. Yeah, another one I'm definitely not going to go for, dude. Look at that red candle today. If it goes above 10, sure. Or 950, but I ain't going for this, dude. And it's low float. Yeah. Good luck there. I ain't going for that. Pretty slow, pretty slow. All right, we'll come back to this again. So it looks like there is some action on a lot of the stocks that got wrecked today. Personally, I don't like going for stocks like that. All right, cool. So there's that. Next one, jobs report. U.S. economy added 353,000 jobs in January, much better than expected. So non-farm payrolls expanded 353,000, better than the estimate of 185,000. So wow, almost double the estimate. That's really, really good. Unemployment rate held 3.7% against the estimate of 3.8%. Average hourly earnings increased 0.6%, double the monthly estimate. Anyway, this is really bullish. Really, really bullish. So economy is going strong. Jobs report exceeded expectations, and probably a big factor as to why today was so bullish. So yeah, excellent jobs report. Economy is booming. And last one about Meta. I don't think this is breaking news, but yeah, Meta shares surged 20% on soaring profit, better than expected guidance, and first ever dividend. So revenue rose 25%, and investors praised their decision to issue a dividend. Yeah, so you saw it live yesterday. We were watching that. Great earnings, plus dividend, and then it's moving 25% today. So congrats to Yamita Apes and Boomers. China market doing bad. That's why a lot of Chinese stock dumped today. 8.5 now. Why is it running so hard? Are there shares? I mean, there's no shares. It's, yeah, so even if I wanted to short, there's no shares. But yeah, it is up to, it's pushing $10. This is pretty crazy. I'd short this at like 14, 13 maybe. I shorted it at 13.30. That's pretty insane price action. What shall we do? Well, there's no shares, so don't get your hopes up. But I don't expect this to happen, but I'll put in an order for 13.30. All right. Order in. So some pretty crazy price action on that one. Let's do another scan. Nexi is down to 1190. Nice. All right, what were we doing? Yeah, so there's our news for today. Good stuff. Let's get to some TA. Good transition, because now we're going to do some meta TA. All right. All right, meta and some stuff from Mark. So yeah, we kind of already did this yesterday, but great earnings, EPS and revenue beat, and then issued a dividend. So extremely bullish day for Meta. Mooned here today. Let's analyze. So 86 RSI, very overbought and very overvalued. FNXY, bro. I mean, yeah, it did come down to 12. It just held up. I don't know why it held up so long, but it is down to 12 now, like they said it would. Like I said it would be. All right. So yeah, RSI bearish, aftermarket action bearish, pulling back here. Gap up at 400. That's bearish. So this might pull back down to 400. Maybe there's another gap up. A few gap ups actually. Another gap up 215. No, I think that's it. So 400 and 215. Definitely wouldn't buy at this price. So I think this is pretty straightforward. Incredible comeback for Meta, but yeah. All-time high, yearly high. So certainly wouldn't go long at this point. Personally, I wouldn't short. I don't believe in shorting. Blue chip value could be worth it though in this situation, but yeah, don't recommend shorting. If anything, I recommend, not financial advice. If it comes back to 400, I think that's a good entry. And if it comes back down to 215, I think that's a good entry. So if you're not going to long-term hold, if you're just scalping, swing trading, now's a good time to sell. If you're long, and yeah, again, wouldn't go short. If it does pull back down to 400, I think that's a good entry. And then if it pulls back down to 215, I think that's a time to rebuy. All right, cool. Pretty straightforward there. Now let's do, all right, MINM and ADCT. So yeah, full disclosure, I'm currently in this. So this may not be done. So obviously this is squeezing. A lot of sirens today. Yeah, this is squeezing. Came all the way from 2 to almost 8. So that's an incredible run in the past week here. Yeah, I think it's fairly obvious at some point this is going to pull back down to at least 274, where the gap is. Fill that gap and maybe even about $1, where the second gap is. So yeah, double gap up bearish. RSI bearish. I think this may come back up to 10. It's possible. Unlikely, I would say, but possible to complete this cup here. But based on this, definitely more bearish than bullish. So I think it's a good entry to go short. And I would cover anywhere from $2.75 to $1. So if you're long, I'd probably sell. And excellent short entry, a lot of downside potential. So yeah, basically meme stock / short squeeze. Congrats apes, time to take a profit, and it's gonna pull back. So yeah, I would not go long here. I would short for a day / swing trade. All right, and so yeah, it may have more upside to go, as high as 10, I would say, but looking more and more unlikely every day. But yeah, wouldn't be surprised if this runs for a couple more days. But you know, sooner or later, it's going to be some massive pullback, so be careful. Make sure you get out of there. That's the other one, ADCT. This one's a little different. So careful, this one's overbought right now, overvalued. 82 RSI. Looks like there is a gap to fill. 403. There is a gap way back to fill here at 403, so would not be surprised if this breaks 4. Maybe even 450 to complete the cup here. So I'm going to say that's probably what's going to happen. I think it's going to keep pumping a little more to 4 or 450, followed by major pullback. So careful here. I wouldn't even go long at this point. Not too much more upside potential. And sorry guys, losing my voice here. I think I'm getting sick. Gotta take a quick drink, but yeah, so I think in the short term this may run to 4 or 450. A little more upside potential, but I think this is due for some massive pullback. This has been squeezing all the way from about 50 cents to, you know, 350 now. 700%. That's pretty insane. So yeah. Wouldn't go long. Probably more upside potential, a little bit more, but at this point I wouldn't go long. Hard to say how low it's going to pull back, but definitely overbought and due for some pretty big pullback here. So yeah, I would sell and short at this entry, 350. Pretty decent downside potential here, and not too much more upside potential. So short term, bearish. All right, cool. So that's all our TA. Let's do another scan and finish up with our YOLOs. So INBS is still holding up pretty well there. And other than that, still pretty slow. Okay, so with that, I guess let's finish up with our YOLOs. Yeah, definitely pulling back post-market here. Not the greatest post-market for me. Lost a couple $100. It's all right. Okay, so let's finish up the show here today. It is 4:43, so we're doing good on time. We should be out of here in about 10, 15 minutes. Yeah, pretty slow post-market and getting through this content pretty quickly. So should be out of here pretty soon. Appreciate everyone. Please smash the like button. Please, thank you. All right, so yeah, 5 plays here today. A lot of Meta stuff. Meta, Amazon, Apple stuff, I think. Forgot. NVIDIA. But, yeah, let's do it. First one by Sora, 1274. Last Friday, I went from 62,000 to 8,000, but today I got it back. So obviously, terrible risk management here. Just straight up degen gambling. I don't know how you go from 62K to 8K. So consider yourself really, really lucky. He's up 48K today, 310%. So I think he's still down. Or oh, he's up a little bit. Alright, cool. So we got it on Meta earnings, Meta calls, Meta FDs. Literally Meta FDs. So yeah, this is pretty insane. I don't know how we lost all that money in the first place, and to get it back, wow. So what I'll say is, the first part was realistic, because he probably went all in, FDs, and then took the rest of his 8K left and threw it all in here, and somehow hit the lottery. So yeah, at this point, dude, you should probably walk away. This is straight up luck, and not sustainable. Bad risk management, straight up gambling. Not sure if you know that. So if you keep doing this, it's gonna go to zero at some point. So do yourself a favor and you should probably just withdraw the money, walk away, or throw it in SPY. I don't know, but you should not be FDing this money anymore. That's insane. So, hey, but this is Wall Street Bets. Excellent entertainment. Excellent play. Well, no. Excellent post. Congrats to you. And, yeah, good luck. I'd probably cash out. Next one by Manufacturer. Proud 388. Let's effing go Diamond Hands. Alright, so we're just really looking at Meta here. He did make 27K on SPY though, but yeah, Meta, bunch of February FDs here. I think he did a spread. That's what it looks like. Yeah, I think this is a spread. Anyway, a few plays here. 5 FDs, and in total he's up 230K. So printed on these today. Congrats to this guy. Cool. This is what you call ape diversification. Glad it worked out though. Enjoy your attendees. Next one by you effing dummy. 16.5K in 49 minutes on 3-day expiration SPY calls. Pretty straightforward. Not sure if this is sustainable. If he just YOLO'd his whole account and made this, but pretty impressive. 16K in under an hour. And he's already out, so yeah, congrats, dude. Bought at 19, sold at 30, so not bad. Not bad at all. Made a 50% gain on that. Cool. So he's up 27K year to date. I love how he specifies year to date. What if you zoom it out all time? Are you up or down? Anyway, yeah, congrats, dude. Probably just Facebook. No, it's SPY, my bad, SPY. Facebook had a lot to do with that, though. Anyway, so congrats, dude. Understand this is probably not sustainable, and be safe. Cool. 16.5K gain today. SPYFDs. Next one by Manual Shark 2-4. Nvidia calls. So another one, ape diversification. Whole bunch of plays here. But it's up quite a bit overall. A couple 100,000. Like 200K maybe. 200 something K. Congrats. Big Nvidia ape here. Alright, and last one. Went through that really fast. Last one by Loki99972. Meta YOLO win. Sold at 6:47 a.m. for 80 per contract. Liar. You can't sell them at 6:47 a.m. So I'm calling BS. Doesn't even make sense. So I believe the screenshot, but I know you can't trade options at 7 in the morning. That's really confusing. Is no one going to comment on that? Anyway. So I think he's being a little deceitful. I don't know, but we'll take his word for it. Meta 395 call, 18 of them expires next week. So it looks like a $25K YOLO. Yeah, 25K YOLO up 117K. 468%. Insane. Don't know why anyone would YOLO 25K on FD earnings lottery tickets, but it's on. Oh, you're right. It's on Pacific time. That could be it. That could be it. Yep. Didn't think about that. My bad. You're right. It better be because he's lying. All right, cool. Forgot what I was saying, but yeah. So don't YOLO 25K. That's ridiculous. But hey, sometimes it works out. You get lucky, and then you print 500%. So, but yeah, these apes that won today on Meta, and the apes that win every earnings season, that's the minority. That's not what happens to the majority of people that do this on this forum. So it's it's very entertaining, but a little disingenuous, and then you get into the minds that these apes can do the same thing, and they can't. So yeah. Oh, low rollers here. All right, we'll do that one, dude. But we're done with the show. We gotta go soon. All right, fine. We'll do 2. Real quick. So yeah. Congrats to these apes. But definitely not sustainable. They should understand this. Understand that. Got lucky. Be grateful, and over the long term, this doesn't work. So enjoy your attendees. Put them in index funds, whatever. No show Monday due to holiday? What holiday is it? I didn't even know that. What holiday is it? It is... nope. There is... Why are you trolling, dude? There's no holiday. No, we're on Monday. There's no show on the 19th, which is Washington's birthday. There's a show. There's a show next week, yes. He's trolling. All right. Even an idiot like me can double my portfolio within 2 weeks, so can you. Yeah, that's a lot of sarcasm. Anyone can buy FDs and then get lucky. Yeah. So what? Apple calls? Apple calls, but Apple went. All right, interesting. So he says Nvidia, Amazon, UPS, Amazon. Nvidia, AMD, UPS, Amazon. So yeah, extreme luck, extreme luck. Wendy's dumpster, here I come. Down 44K year to date. Go. 120%. So he was on margin. Good. All right, cool. Let's do one final scan. So it is now 4:54, and that is pretty much the show. Let's do one more scan. Yeah, pretty slow. KUKE is pulling back. Ridiculous day here on BRTX. I just wanted to scalp that. Now I'm down $1,000 there. Stupid. Did I just see something? We do have some action here on SXTP. Let's check that out. SXTP 42. We're gonna go for 43 on this one. All right, put in an order for 43. All right, so we added that to our watch list. SXTP. That is starting to, it's up 18% post-market here. Starting to get some action. So we'll watch that. But other than that, I think that's it for now at least. Yeah, okay. So we'll watch SXTP. But yeah, guys, that is the show for today. So we went almost an hour. Quick show today. Short and chill show. Hope you guys enjoyed. That was fun. Decent amount of content. Just a very slow post-market. No new plays here. So, yes. Appreciate you guys. Please smash the like button. So yeah. Sum up this week. Started pretty rough. For myself. For Rainbow Bear. Got squeezed out. I forgot what I got. What was it? RVSN? I got squeezed out of something. And this is coming off a pretty tough week last week. And then, so I finished the week break even, I think. Around break even. Started really tough and grinded it all back. So, can't really complain too much, I guess. But glad ending today on a green note here. Ending the week in the green. We'll see if it holds up because post-market's not over yet. But yeah, pretty decent week for me. So, yeah, hopefully next week we get some fat tendies. All right, next C is down to 12. All right, anyway, so that's the show for today, guys. Appreciate everyone. Hope everyone has a great weekend. Catch you guys back here on Monday. Cool. And let's get out of here. Thanks everyone for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please like the video, please subscribe, and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Speculation Show. All right, peace out, everyone. Mark, Koya. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Speculation. See you guys tomorrow. No, not tomorrow. Next week, Monday. Have a great weekend, everybody, and peace out.